Hey YouTube, Jay Van Gordon here with another really quick product review. So you're driving down the road, everything is well, and all of a sudden you get that flashing check engine light. You're not getting spark to all 5 cylinders anymore. It may be because one of your ignition coils has popped. Anywhere from 80 to 100,000 miles, it's not a bad idea to replace your ignition coils just as preventive maintenance. Basically, these coils is what supplies the voltage to your spark plugs so you can ignite the fuel and air mixture inside your combustion chamber. If one of these goes, you're gonna get misfires and you're gonna be pulling over on the side of the road. You do not want to drive. Once you do have a misfire in your car, that could lead to a whole slew of issues, including a failed catalytic converter. So as preventive maintenance, it's not a bad idea to install all 5 of these ignition coils. This particular kit fits the later model P80 vehicles. That's your 99 2000 S70 V70, XC70, and also your P2 chassis, 01 to 09 S60, 01 to 07 V70, 03 to 07 XC70, and your 2.5 turbo S80s. These particular coils, very easy to replace. Literally, just take off the top of your can cover. It's a few T30 Torx bolts there. Just take those off, and these are held in by either 8mm or 10mm bolts. They just pop right out. Very easy to replace. While you're in there, as you're replacing all 5 of these coils, it's literally just one spark plug below you. Not a bad idea to replace all 5 spark plugs at the same time. All right, this has been another really quick product review. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.